So what are some of the biggest challenges and opportunities you're seeing in the industrial distribution market today?
Well, I mean, that's definitely a challenge right now. It puts I don't want, maybe strain isn't the right word, but it puts some complexity in the relationship between manufacturers and distributors. And not every distributor is capable of doing that, but some are. And I think that, oftentimes those private label products that come through are not, of the same quality, or they're not of the same, they're not from, they're brought in from overseas, and so it just challenges the relationship, and I think ultimately it challenges the industry. It challenges our ability to provide significant value to the end user, or to find, for the end user to say, this is my trusted source for high quality and well delivered products. Otherwise we run the risk of, either disintermediation or completely going around our channel and going from an e-tailer. So, that's a challenge that I think needs to be figured out. I can't stand here and tell a distributor that I think that what they're doing is bad in all cases, because every case is a little bit different. But I think that, it is something to play to your strengths. And I think we all need to be looking at that. Even ISA needs to say, what do we do? And what can we do and be the best at? Should I try and, add remittances and a rebate program into what we do? No, that's not what we do. That's never what we've done. So we're going to stay in our lane. And sometimes that's the best way to win, is to stay in your lane and to do what you do best. There's a reason why these other networks exist. There's a reason why distributors are really good at what they do. And maybe we need to understand the value, the real value that distributors provide beyond just relationship with the customer or break bulk. It's more than that. And manufacturers on the other side need to, reiterate why their products are the superior product. They need to be, doing a really good job with providing marketing and training and providing the right assets and the right ways for their products to be sold to distributors. So again, it all gets back to partnership. It all gets back to saying, our best method is by collaborating closely with our suppliers and making sure that if we work in the right way, 1 + 1 can equal 3.